Hello friends, are you someone who can speak English but it starts to fumble when it comes to maintaining fluency? So don't be worried because there are a lot of people like you who go through such a situation daily in their lives. But now the question arises as to how to settle this issue, how to deal with this problem. So in this conversation, I am going to take you through some of the tips which I have gathered over many years of my teaching experience as well as priceless interaction with my students. Having a good communication skill can be a real boon, especially in the given times, as it helps you in day-to-day functioning as well as it helps you also in establishing a firm base in your career. So I'm going to share 5 ways in which you can master the fluency. On the top of the chart lies practice. Practice is really essential in order to keep your talents and skills refined and polished. A lot of successful people, including businessmen, sportsperson, athlete, artist, they all hone their skill by way of practice. There is one more thing I would like to point out here. Like we are all aware with a very celebrated proverb called "practice makes man perfect," but we really undermine it. We don't put into practice, right? So practice is essential, or let's say at the core of building good talent and habit. So you must practice hard daily, hourly, every minute, every second in order to keep your talents and skill honed. Second tip is regularity. A lot of people say that they practice a lot but they don't get the corresponding results. So after listening to this, you might be wondering as to what is the significance of practice then. Let me point out a very important factor over here. Practice can only be helpful if it is coupled with regularity. Practicing occasionally and practicing regularly will bring about invariable results. A person with a regular practice will sound more fluent and natural than a person with irregular habits of speaking English. So the third tip is motivation. As you all know, motivation is a very important factor in pursuing our goals. But at times we feel that our motivation is going down. So how to stay committed, how to stay motivated to our goal of being fluent? Well, there are a couple of things that you can do. The first thing is this: have some idols whose fluency you admire a lot. Try to notice and observe their ways of speaking and try to repeat them over and over again. Try to imitate them. Not only will it help you to maintain fluency, but it will also keep motivating you, right? Secondly, have some circles where you repeatedly and regularly speak English and try to speak in those circles as often as you can. If it's spoken well, it will increase your confidence and you will definitely speak even more fluently. And if not, then definitely it will give you valuable lesson and a very priceless experience. The fourth tip is environment. If motivation is a great tool, then environment can be a greater tool. Because motivation is an integral part of any environment, of any system. Therefore, this environment can be a remedy to this problem. Try to find the company of those people who speak fluently and confidently. Try to spend time with them and try to hang out with them as often as you can. It will not only give you ample practice, but it will magnify your motivation to greater levels. And to top it all, it will take away all the hesitation and shyness which even bothers native speakers of English language. Last but not least, the fifth point, habits. It is said that if you want to examine a man's personality or character, then you must dig deeper into his daily routine. So if you could just build a daily routine where English speaking becomes an integral part of your life, then you will sound light and burden free. A lot of people sound very burdened when they speak English. So in order to take care of this problem, you must build a routine where English speaking becomes a part of your life and ultimately it will add to your fluency. So that's all folks. I sincerely pray and hope that you will incorporate these tips in your daily lives, and definitely you will see the emergence of a great speaker who will not only speak English but speak English clearly, confidently and fluently. Bye for now. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.